You want to start by sitting upright in a chair or a bench with the legs separated. Slowly round the upper back and begin to lean forward. You want to continue to bend at the waist and lower the head and abdomen between the legs and below the thighs. Remember, hyperflexion can injure the spinal cord, so when doing this, go slowly and do not let your back become straight. Also, the effect of the stretch will be minimized if your butt rises off the chair. To target more of a stretch in the lower back and your lateral flexors, just simply lean towards the right, and then you can go ahead and make sure you do the other side. When coming up, it's important to return back to the neutral position and come up slowly.